Hey team, it's Daniel here with the Brazos Valley Boars and Varmits. So we're getting ready down here for deer season, and we're sighting in our rifles, just making sure everything's looking good. And I have got high quality, good equipment. And I'm telling you, when you buy good equipment, you get really good results. I took one shot in my cold shot barrel, and let me flip the screen here. I'm gonna show y'all what it did. Actually, I can't flip screen. Let's just go ahead and come up to it. Show you how we did. Oh. This one shot right there. Cold barrel, single shot. Hey, what are you doing? Why'd you do that?
Quit showing off.